What is the perfect wine for here? Or here? Or maybe here? I have the perfect castle juice for you. This is Wine Folly, where we learn by tasting. Wine tells us a story. You just need to know how to read it. Let's see what this glass has to say. Now, the first thing we want to do is look at the color. And my, that is a medium, striking gold color. It means it was likely pressed slowly, allowing oxygen to add more color to this wine. But when we give it a swirl, we don't see a lot of tearing on the side of the glass, meaning it's lower alcohol and possibly from a cool climate. The aromas will tell us more. Crazy aromatic. Ripe green pear, a little honey, guava, a subtle spice kind of like clove. These are all characteristics from the grape variety. There's also a funkiness here, like gunflint or chalk dust. It's got loads of minerality. Let's see what the palate tells us. Whoa! It is a sour explosion with pickled pepper, spice, and sky-high acidity. This kind of complexity in the aromatics and taste is a hallmark of just a few varieties from regions with deep winemaking roots. I could easily throw this wine in my cellar for another 5 years. I think the acid level suggests it's age-worthy. But if I'm drinking it now, I am, after all, I'd probably want to pair this with some cilantro lime chicken or chicken fried rice. That's the kind of high-low pairing that I love. So what grape variety do you think this is? Is it Chenin Blanc, Chardonnay, Gruner Veltliner, or Viognier? Let's ask our buddy, master of wine, Christine Marsilio, for more secrets about this wine.
So we've got a dry wine with lots of acidity that has been oxidatively made and has a distinct mineral and honey character. That level of acidity and dry honeyed style is very typical of Chenin Blanc, though Riesling can often display some of these features too. Normally Riesling has more of a floral edge, while Chenin Blanc has an apple or pear note. Chenin Blanc, though, planted around the world, is really best known in the Loire Valley and in South Africa. In the Loire Valley, there are numerous appellations that grow Chenin Blanc, and it is made in many different styles, from sweet, sparkling, off-dry, and dry. Dry styles with high levels of texture are often found in places with high levels of limestone, or a type of chalky limestone called tuffeau. So we have a racy, lean, dry Chenin Blanc from a cooler climate grown on limestone soils, made in an oxidative, aka old school, way. Now that we have some of the clues about this place, where do you think this wine is from? Côte de Léon, France? Stellenbosch, South Africa? Janvier, France? Or New York, USA? Let's head back to Madeleine to learn even more.
Limestone soils are something that wine people get excited about. You get all this texture, minerality, and richness without losing acidity. We actually see a few famous white wines growing in limestone. Champagne, Burgundy, or this. This is Chenin Blanc from Janvier in the Loire Valley. This particular wine is Pascal Janvier Janvier in the Loire. It's a 100% Chenin Blanc. Janvier is a place that treats Chenin Blanc seriously, slow pressing it to gain rich flavors and allowing oxygen to add color. The Loire Valley has several important regions for Chenin Blanc, like Savennières, Jasnieres, Vouvray, Cardachon, which showcase the incredible diversity of this grape. My mouth is watering. If you like this segment, definitely leave me or Christine a comment and let us know. This wine is part of Wine Folly Club, and we have more tasting videos like this coming up, so definitely subscribe to learn more about wine. Until next time, happy tasting, peace out.